KDC1000 and 1100 are nearly identical, except for the KDC1100's downward angled scan engine. The SmartSled is equipped with two scan buttons, a scan window, an LED indicator, and a USB-C port. To install, slide the phone into the SmartSled bottom first, aligning it with the USB-C connector at the bottom of the case. Then, stretch the case over the top of the phone. And you're done. To remove the phone, start by pulling back the top of the case. Then, carefully slide the phone upward and out of the custom case. USB HID is the default communication mode. To switch to serial mode, scan the barcodes seen here. USB HID mode transmits data one way to the host device. USB serial mode enables two-way data and control between the KDC and an application. To put it simply, HID works like a keyboard, while serial requires KT Sync or a custom app. Once the KDC beeps, you're ready to begin scanning. Bluetooth is available, but not the default communication method. BLE HID sends data one way to the host device, while BLE SPP enables two-way data transfer between the KDC and the host. First, navigate to the Bluetooth settings on the host device. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. Scan the appropriate BLE pairing barcode from the mini guide to begin pairing. Select the KDC with the matching serial number in brackets. Allow any pairing pop-ups. Then confirm the pairing. If using HID mode, the SmartSled is now ready to use. Open up any app of choice and test. Scanned barcode data will appear on screen. To connect via BLE SPP, scan the BLE SPP barcode. Find and connect via Bluetooth Manager. Go to Settings, General Management, Keyboards, and enable KT Sync Keyboard. Allow any prompts that come up. Next, set KT Sync Keyboard as the default. Now let's open KT Sync. KT Sync can be downloaded from the Google Play Store. The scanner should automatically be connected. If not, select Connect in the bottom left corner. Scanned barcodes will appear in the KT Sync app. Make sure to keep KT Sync running in the background, and you can open your custom application. Once there is an active cursor on the page or in the text field, you will see the KT Sync keyboard appear. The KDC1000 and 1100 are compatible with multiple SmartSled companions. When using the long range or the short range UHF reader for KDC1000 or 1100, you will need to toggle between barcode and UHF read modes. To toggle between modes, press the following sequence using the left to right scan buttons within 3 seconds. Left, left, right, right, left, right. You can choose between 3 UHF read modes. With active read mode, you can read UHF tags continuously while holding down the scan button. In single read mode, only one tag is read each time you press the button. Multiple read mode will allow multiple tags to be read for a set period of time on a single scan button press. You can use special barcodes to switch reading modes. You can also change this in the application settings. To scan UHF tags, press the scan button while in UHF mode, and wave the reader over the boxes containing the tags. If using the HF reader, you don't need to toggle read modes and you're ready to scan right out of the box. The pistol grip is ergonomic and easy to use. Just aim at a barcode, pull the trigger, and scan. To remove the battery, unscrew the battery door at the bottom of the handle and pull out the battery. Insert a new one and secure the door back in place. The 6000 mAh battery is optional. The extended battery and pistol grip are interchangeable. To remove, squeeze both tabs on the sides of the battery adapter and slide the battery down and out. To attach the pistol grip, align it with the top notch of the adapter and slide it up until it clicks. There are many different SmartSled charging cradles. We will cover the 1-slot no battery, 1-slot, and 5-slot charging cradles. Connect a USB-C cord to the side of the charging cradle. Then place the SmartSled into the charging slot. With the right spacers, the 1-slot no battery cradle can charge pistol grips and 1-watt readers. More on that later. To use the 1-slot charging cradle, plug in the Type-C port to the back of the cradle. Then drop in the SmartSled to start charging. For the 5-slot charging cradle, plug in the DC connector to the back of the cradle and drop your SmartSleds in to begin charging. All charging cradles feature LED indicators to show charging status. Green meaning that the device is fully charged, while orange means that the device is charging. If you receive a blinking red light, it means that there is a charging issue. Swapping charging spacers is easy. To remove a spacer, grip the spacer by the outsides and lift it up out of the cradle. To reinsert the spacer, grip the spacer on the outsides and press it down into place until you hear a click.